Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hi all. Yesterday we have seen the preparation of ground floor plan of site size 9 meter by 12 meter, that is north facing side. We have seen the plan of that site. Now we'll be drawing or we'll be discussing a plan of site, that is a building ground floor building plan in 9 meter by 15 meter site, that is south facing side. Here you can see the name itself indicates it is 9 meter by 15 meter side, and the main floor or the road is in the direction of south. Okay, so here what I will do, I'll be going to the plan. As I said, it is a south facing plan. So obviously if it is south facing, this will be north, south, east and west. It is comprised of the 2 bedrooms along with 1 living room, 1 kitchen. Here based on the client requirement, we have not provided the dining room, but we have the master bedroom. Here you can see 1 shop is also provided. Staircase is provided in the front as well as the parking. The parking space which we kept is around 13 feet 10 inch and width is around 7.5 feet, so that can accommodate a small car in the parking space. Okay, and whereas it is as I said, it is 9 meter by 15 meter side. Okay, we have kept the offsets. On left side it is right side of the side it is 2 feet, and next one back side at one location behind this bedroom we have kept 2 feet offset, and other side 3 feet offset, okay, which will be using for the utility. This will be using for the utility, and back door is provided here. Along with here the 2.5 feet offset we have given. Okay, that is access to the utility, whatever offset is there, we have provided 2 feet 6 inches. And here it is beside this kitchen room, this is a kitchen. Beside this kitchen room we have provided the 2 feet space or 2 feet offset. Okay, we will discuss one by one. So here we have provided a shop. Okay, it is at southwest corner. This is the southwest corner of the building, and its dimension is 11 feet 6 inch by 8 feet dimension we have given, and the living room is there. Okay, after this shop we have provided a living room. It is also comes in the southwest corner, and the dimension of this room is 11 feet 6 inch by 14 feet. And we have provided a bathroom. You can see bathroom we have provided, laundry bathroom. Okay, this is in the direction of west. Okay, it is 7 feet 3 inch by 4 feet we have given. And next WC is given, water closet. This is also in the north direction, west direction. So it is 4 feet by 3 feet 6 inches. And a master bedroom is given in the northwest corner. Okay, it is of size 11 feet 6 inch by 10 feet. Here it is master bedroom, living room, bath, WC. Okay, along with the master bedroom, attached bath and WC is given in the northwest side itself. Again it is of 7 feet 3 inch by 3 feet 6 inch. It is of 7 feet 3 inch by 3 feet 6 inch. Here they are given 7 feet 3 inch and 3 feet 6 inch the bath and WC, which is attached to the master bedroom. Another bedroom we are given here in the northeast corner. It is supposed to be the space will be keeping it for the utility. After that utility we have the bedroom in the northeast corner. This is of 10 feet 5 inch by 13 feet 4 inch. Okay, we have kept a 3 feet width passage to access the back door. Okay, apart from that we have puja room here. Puja room is of 6 feet 4 inch by, it is exactly at north or towards northeast. It is 6 feet 4 inch by 3 feet 6 inch, and kitchen is given. The kitchen is at southeast corner. It is of 10 feet 11 inch by 9 feet 3 inch. This 10 feet 11 inch by 9 feet 3 inch space is given here. Okay, apart from that we have parking. As I said, parking is quite sufficient to accommodate one car. It is in the southeast corner itself. 7 feet 6 inch by 13 feet 10 inch. These are the dimensions. Okay, some portion, okay, most of the building elements or the rooms we kept according to the Vastu requirements of the client. The opening for the shop is kept in the direction of west, whereas the main door, which is in the direction of the main door is in the east direction. Okay, there is sufficient space. The window is of 7 feet by 5 feet is provided in the living room, and here it is in the bedroom we have provided 5 feet by 4 feet. Okay, here in another bedroom, master bedroom, we have provided 5 feet by 4 feet, only one window we have provided, as here it is 4 feet by 4 feet. Another bedroom we are providing 2 windows of size 4 feet by 4 feet, and ventilators in the bathroom and WC, it is of all the three ventilators of 2 feet by 1 feet 6 inches. Whereas here the kitchen room we have provided 5 feet by 1 feet 6 inches one window and 2 feet by 3 feet. Another window is of size 2 feet by 3 feet. Okay, there is no windows are provided to the shop. This will be the entrance. The main door is in the direction of east, and we have provided a gate, okay, in the direction of south. As access to this staircase is here. First landing will be done here, second landing will be here. Next, these many steps are provided to reach the slab or at roof level. So this is all about the basic plan of a building that is to be constructed in the site of size 9 meter by 15 meter. Okay, I think you might like this plan. Okay, I think you might like this video also. If you like this video, please press like button, and if you not yet subscribe my channel, subscribe and press bell icon for upcoming technical videos. Thank you.